Hey everyone, welcome to Aastha's Makeup Closet where we wake up and make up for 30 and up. Today is a look that's Egyptian. I wouldn't call it Cleopatra really, but it's like a cross between Cleopatra and Nefertiti. Though I know I don't have the bangs for Cleopatra, my bangs kind of grew out. But I just wanted to recreate something and one of my era looks, and I love the Egyptian culture. I love the Egyptian civilization. In fashion school, I used to thoroughly enjoy it. And this is the look I've come up with. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so this is the final look, and I had so much fun recreating this, or rather creating this. And this is my first time doing a cross between Cleopatra and Nefertiti. And I'm terrified of liquid liner, but somehow managed to achieve what you see, the Eye of Ra right there. And I used the foundation that was two tones darker for me because I wanted to look a little dusky for this look, and just Egyptian makeup looks better on dusky skin. Let's put it that way. And I happen to love dusky skin. So, if you like my content and you want to see more such looks, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. I upload every Tuesdays and Thursdays, 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I love makeup, as you can see, and I love creating looks and just creating. That is what I love with makeup, and this is so much fun for me to do. So do like and subscribe, and share this video, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.